Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve wrong equations or wrong formulas. You calculate something in Excel, but instead of giving you the correct answer, you end up getting wrong answers. Most especially when you want to paste the formula. Like for example, I have here 2,300, okay, times 3. Then here I have 5,000 times 5. Then here I have 10,000, okay, times 6. Then here I have 25,000 times 9. Okay, in the normal way, what you're going to do, you go here and say equals this cell address times, okay, this cell address, and you press enter. If you have a very big Excel, like if you have a lot of numbers, you don't need to go on in each cell address and typing the formula. What you need to do is just to highlight the first cell address. You make sure that your cursor has changed to a cross sign. Then you press and drag to paste the formula. Okay, so now my formula has been pasted, but it is giving me wrong results. Like for example, 5,000 times 5 is not 6,900. No, it is wrong. Okay, so what you need to do is just to mean that something is wrong with the Excel. So what you need to do is just to go to File, you select Options. Then from the Options menu, you select Formulas. Then from the Formula menu, you see Calculation Options. Convert it from manual to automatic, and you say OK. Okay. As you can observe here, the moment I selected OK to change the changes, to save the changes, our answers has been recorrected. As you can see here, this is the correct answer, this is the correct answer, this is the correct answer, this is the correct answer. That is today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. That way, if I post more videos like this, you'll be able to find them. Thank you. Bye bye.